All right, friends and neighbors, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and I've got a fun ride right here. Luckily, somebody just dropped it off and left it in my driveway, and left the keys, and imagine my surprise when it started. So I've been riding it around for a day or two. Just getting acquainted with it. Belongs to a body hoarder friend of mine, and thought this would be a perfect car to do a little walk around on. It is a 69 dark custom, and it's pretty I guess plain white car. It's been an old hot rod for a long time. But as you can see, somebody's put a hood scoop on it and a go fast stripe on the back. And at one time, this car was destined to be a race car, and it is still a project. But there's plenty of fun left in this old car. It has a 8 3/4 rear end, and I'm gonna try and get under here and get a little shot of that if I can. If you can see that or not. But it does have 8 3/4. It's been changed over to big bolt pattern. So you can see it's got rallies all the way around. And has been upgraded to disc brakes on the front. I don't know if you can see that through the holes in there or not, but it has got new disc brakes on the front. And it is a 69. You can tell by the rectangle marker lights on it. 68 had the round ones, which I'm so fond of. I'm going to open the door. Like I said, this is a project. This car had been sitting in a garage for over 15 years, I think. That's what he said. It's had a change or two since new and since it was bought. The seats all been redone, but if you look, that little crooked stick right there has a pistol grip. So that tells you them 3 pedals are, they do function. It is 4-speed. We'll close that door right there and try to get another little walk around so you can see some of the history and character of this car. I got it from, said that right there was actually a where the car had been shot at one time. So, still not sure all the story behind that, but, if the cars could talk, some of the history, I'm sure would curl your toes. But this one right here, if you had to get away some, pretty quick, this would be a good car to do it with. I'll walk up here to this side. Like I said, it's a pretty rough old car, but, it's a lot better than most. If you look, it's got 4 speeds, little go fast steering wheel and everything. You can see where it had that automatic in it. They took it out and put the 4-speed in. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up right now, and I might come back and catch a couple other features on it here in a few minutes. But as for now, this is Field Agent 880. Hope you've enjoyed this much of the video, and I'll share some more with you here shortly. We'll get under the hood.